Good morning. Welcome to a video tour of Passaic County Community College Welding Department located at 113 Van Houten Street in the historic firehouse. As we make our way to the welding lab, we pass the ever-evolving sculpture garden. PCCC Welding is an AWS educational member. Our AWS Level 1 course is 18 weeks long and you will earn 18 college credits. Each student will receive a toolkit valued at $750, which they get to keep. Financial aid is available for those who qualify. This intensive 18-week program will prepare you with all the necessary skills you need for your first welding job. We are now entering the main welding shop where students work together with instructors on projects and bigger space for us to build bigger projects. This room is where the oxyacetylene torches are kept and you will learn how to cut steel. In this area, you will use a variety of saws and drills to shape your projects. Ahead is a student using a track torch to prepare for a welding test. This is our main fabrication table where students and instructors can work on projects. This is our fume extraction system right next to our giant air compressor. Students learn how to program and operate a plasma CNC table as shown on the right. And up here is our TIG room where students learn how to use water-cooled TIG machines to make good aluminum, stainless steel, and steel beams. We are constantly evolving the space and improving it, so when you come to class, this is all going to look slightly different. Up ahead in here is where each student gets their own welding booth. The large pipe coming from the ceiling sucks away all of the welding fumes and smoke. Each one of these red linking machines is a quad process machine where you learn how to stick weld, MIG weld, flux core, and also TIG weld. Every first Thursday of the month, PCCC Welding has an open house from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. and from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Don't wait. Your new welding career is only 18 weeks away.